Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting identifiers and payment info because accuracy here prevents delays. Once done, create or sign into the tax agency portal, enable two-factor authentication, and set a secure PIN to protect submissions. Next, pick e-file software or an IRS-authorized provider that supports your business type, C Corp, S Corp, partnership, or sole proprietor, so forms match. Make sure bank routing and account numbers are correct for direct debit or refund deposit. This speeds processing and avoids payment failures. You now populate the core forms line by line, matching income and expense figures to your accounting records so totals reconcile. This prevents automated rejects. As you progress, attach specific schedules, payroll returns, depreciation, or credits, because the system cross-checks those. Make calculated fields last. Run the software's validation checks, correct flagged mismatches, and ensure EINs and dates align. Once the worksheet balances, apply e-signature options and confirm payment method for any tax due. This readies the file for final review. You finish by previewing the full filing, then submit via the e-file portal. Watch for the confirmation ID and timestamp as proof. Immediately save signed PDFs and encrypted backups and set calendar reminders for payment dates and extensions. Payments post within 24-72 hours. Verify bank activity and keep receipts. If the return is rejected, don't panic. Read the rejection code, correct the specific validation error or data mismatch, and resubmit promptly. If confusion remains, contact your software support or the agency helpline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.